Hey, what's up guys, I hope you all be doing great, and if not then you must after watching this video. So in today's video I got my hands on the Apple Airpods 2 1-on-1, or you can say Master Replica by Chinese company. There is no name mentioned on these on its pictures and no other brand, but of course these are the Apple Airpods 2 Master Replica, or you can say 1-on-1 replica with the name change option and also the GPS option. So guys, without wasting any time, let's jump straight into this package unboxing. So one thing that I forgot to mention is that if you want to purchase the same product, I will put the link of the same ad from which I order mine into the description, and you can go grab them before they run out of stock. Alright guys, so this is the Daraz.pk package. I would just quickly cut this package with my rusted unboxing knife and take the actual product out of its packing. So this is the Apple Airpods 2 Master Replica wrapped in a bubble wrap. I will quickly pull that out. Alright, so this is the box, looking exactly the same as the original Apple Airpods 2. On this side we have the Apple logo, on the bottom we have writings and the serial number and barcode number. The back is the same as original Apple Airpods, and here it says Airpods with wireless charging case, so which are actually the Apple Airpods 2 with wireless charging case. One thing that I noticed is that the plastic wrap on the box is not of as good quality as the original Apple Airpods, but of course these little things does not matter for us. We'll just quickly take the actual Airpods out of the box. Now you guys can see that the bottom of the box does not slide out as smoothly as the original Apple Airpods, because of course Apple has a separate unboxing department for such little things, and such little things add up to the price of product, making it more expensive for us. First impressions from the inside of the box are same as the original Apple Airpods. This is the actual thing. I would just put this aside and let's see what's inside. Now we have this cable. It seems pretty good quality. Yeah, this is good quality cable, and this is the actual thing. They are not light in weight, they are actually heavy. I'm impressed by the quality we are getting in this price. This wrap quality is also great and crispy. Seems like we are unboxing the original Apple Airpods. Alright, so this is the actual thing guys. You can hear to the sound. The ticks are same as the original. Putting this device to the charge, because of course they have no charge when they come from China. So guys, the red light is on, which means that the device is charging, and when the green light turns on, this means that the device has been fully charged. So I will wait until the green light turns on, and then we will test the quality of the AirPods inside them. So after fully charging the device, we are connecting it for the first time to my iPhone X, and it says hold the button on the back. I will just press and hold the button to connect them to my iPhone. Alright, so the AirPods are connected. You can see the pop-up window is working as same as the original Apple Airpods. And now the one thing that it makes the Master Replica is that we can change the left and right AirPods options. We can change the name of these AirPods from the settings, as you can see over here, and we can turn off the automatic in-ear detection, which most of the replicas doesn't have this option. And we also get the GPS option, which helps us to track our AirPods and find my iPhone device. So all this is possible because these devices are equipped with the H1 chip that replicates the original Apple Airpods chip, which is the W1 chip. Alright guys, so these are some of the views of the Apple Airpods 2 Master Replica in actual daylight. The markings from inside of the lid replicates exactly those on the original Apple Airpods. The only difference is that if we search this serial number on Apple's website, it wouldn't be verified. Moving towards the earpiece, the earpieces also are 1-on-1 replica of original Apple Airpods. We can see the bottom is same, and this quality is really impressive. We also have all the markings and readings on the bottom of earpiece. Even the mesh quality used in these replicas are good, because I have used the other replicas and they are really disappointing in quality. Now if you guys have seen the original Apple AirPods, you guys have been realized that these are legit one-on-one replicas. Even the back hinge is of supreme high quality. The button I noticed is a little bit above. On the bottom we have a lightning port connector, but the actual thing is that these Apple AirPods replica also include wireless charging, which is the main feature of these AirPods.